Bounding boxes are guesses. Segmentation is vision. Every pixel classified, every boundary defined. Today, we are unpacking the three levels of segmentation that teach AI to see the world the way we do. At its core, segmentation is pixel-wise classification. The model assigns a label to every single pixel. This task splits into a clean hierarchy: semantic, instance, and panoptic. Let's start with the foundation, the semantic segmentation, which itself has two flavors. Semantic segmentation assigns a class label to every pixel, ignoring individual identity. Its first subtype is binary segmentation, dividing the images into just two categories: foreground and the background. This is used in many applications. For example, identifying the flooded areas on the satellite imagery, pinpointing tumor boundaries in a medical scan, isolating the exact tooth shape in an OPG X-ray, and mapping cracks and damage in civil structures. The next level is multi-class semantic segmentation. The model classifies every pixel into many classes. All pixels of the same type get the same color, regardless of who owns them. In a road scene, each class gets a different color. Pedestrians are shown with the red color, vehicles with blue, signals with yellow, and footpaths with pink. It has applications beyond autonomous vehicles. For example, distinguishing crop plants from surrounding weeds in a field. Segmenting three different tissues in a brain MRI like white matter, grey matter, and fluid. Classifying a scene, for example, sand, the sea, and the person. Semantic segmentation can't count. That's the leap to instance segmentation. The network must not only classify the pixel but also assign a unique ID to every separate object. In instance segmentation, each distinct object gets a unique color or ID, even if they share the same class. Look at the same picture from semantic segmentation. Now the three people are individually masked at person 1, 2, 3 with different colors. In this picture, a single dog gets the red color, but each of the three sheep gets its own distinct color. In this dental scan, every single tooth is individually identified and masked with a unique ID, allowing a precise isolation. This fluorescence microscope image isolates 4 different cell instances for individual measurement and analysis. Panoptic segmentation is the highest level. It demands full scene understanding. It combines semantic and instance segmentation into one complete, non-overlapping partition of the image. In panoptic segmentation, every single pixel gets both a class label and an instance ID if it is a countable object. For example, the sand is uncountable stuff. It gets a single color, but the three people are countable things and they get their individual instance IDs. The entire image is perfectly segmented, leaving zero ambiguity. To summarize the three types and their goals: semantic segmentation classifies every pixel and the output is one mask per class. Instance segmentation classifies and individualize and the output is unique mask per object. And panoptic segmentation that combines semantic and instance segmentation gives a complete scene analysis. It gives distinct masks to the uncountable stuff, while countable objects gets a distinct instance ID. If you want to build real computer vision systems, you must master these three segmentation types. If this video helps you understand how they work, hit like and subscribe for more clear practical lessons on computer vision. See you in the next video.